Hey, are you looking for a good quality drone for under $100 from Aliexpress? I have fixed the drones of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the drones are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. This video is sponsored by couponsview.com. Here you will find all flash deal offers and coupon discount codes from various popular e-commerce sites like Aliexpress, Amazon, and others. You will get the link in the description box. So let's start the video. In at number 5, the best drone is LSRC E525 quadcopter drone. This drone is a smart quadcopter that serves beginners as well as experienced users alike. However, its most notable feature is the camera. This is the perfect solution for anyone that wants a high-quality aerial camera to capture their outdoor activities. First, it is affordable. Considering all the features that it comes with, we can say the price is a real steal. The technical specification of this drone is about 100 minutes charging time, 80 to 100 meters remote distance, about 15 to 20 minutes flight time, 3-volt, 1800 mAh lithium battery, and many more. Recently this drone price is $30.67. It is equipped with multi-sensors guarantee to hover with great stability, and high-quality pics were taken under different flying environment. Optical flow positioning makes a great effect when the GPS signal is lost or weak. Functions, like one-key start and stop, emergency stop, altitude hold, and electric fence, keep it simple to control for even beginners. Its smart battery can work for 15 to 20 minutes per charge. The long-life brushless motor has lower power consumption, which can bring you a quieter flight. The foldable design and exquisite suitcase are convenient for the man and machine are taken outdoors. The compact and powerful drone is the perfect creative companion to capture your moments in a way that easily raises the ordinary level. It supports 12-megapixel aerial photos and 2.7K HD video. The 3-axis electric pan provides excellent camera stability and ensures a clear, super smooth lens. The ultra-lightweight makes it stay in the air longer than similar consumers on the market. A fully charged battery can last up to 20 minutes of flight time. In at number 4, the drone is F3 GPS 5G Wi-Fi drone. Already this drone price is $37.92. This drone has a 4K camera and 5 GHz image. HD camera catches incredible clarity in the photos, 4096 by 3072 resolution. 5 GHz transmission ensures beautiful scenes are sent back to the phone. 90-degree adjustable angle enables broader views. This drone equipped with GPS positioning. The drone can automatically follow the pilots when it is losing signal or power and you press one key return. It will then fly back to the takeoff point automatically. Besides, you will have an easy start with functions like altitude hold, headless mode. Get a worry-free flight and have better shots. F3 drones can be a great photography tool, featuring follow me mode, point of interest, waypoints, and object tracking. It frees your hands and allows you to focus on creating video content. You can even add narration while shooting videos. Grab it and film your adventures or happy moments. It has 2 modular battery, lasts 60 minutes. Both drone arms and propellers are foldable. It is equipped with 1-key takeoff or land and returns, auto hover, headless mode, and 3-speed switch. It is super friendly to newbies. Help you take a great selfie or panoramic view looking down from the sky. It's quite wind resistant for outdoor fights. FPV transmission range up to 1300 feet, control range up to 1968 feet. You may take it outdoor for fishing, hiking, etc. Provides 180 days hassle-free warranty to ensure the enjoyment of your purchase. In at number 3, the drone is new 8811 Pro GPS drone. This drone has all the new technology that makes it easy to operate. It is a masterful balance of portability, price, image quality, and convenience. Its technical specifications: an astonishing 250 minutes charging time, about 28 minutes flight time, max control distance 2000 meter, 11.1 volt, 2850 mAh lithium battery, etc. It provides altitude hold, gravity sensor mode, speed modes, 1080 pixel HD camera, which makes operation much easier and safer for beginners. Now this drone price is $63.37. This drone equipped with a 2-axis self-stabilizing anti-shake pan. The camera angle of 90 degrees can be adjusted through the remote control. The high-resolution 6K 5700 by 4275 pixel camera can capture clear images of beautiful scenery with excellent color solutions and record your every unforgettable moment. The drone possesses a dual positional system, optical flow positioning system and GPS positioning in a precise location and altitude holding, then makes the drone more stable in flight and photograph. With its waypoint flying function, you can draw a trajectory on the screen, and the aircraft will fly according to this trajectory with the current position, which offers great entertainment for you. Facing the aircraft lens, lifting one hand, and when the palm control mode is selected, the aircraft will follow the palm movement. Just enjoy such flexible and interactive control. In the following me mode, facing the aircraft lens and choosing a target, the aircraft will follow your track automatically and capture your movement with an amazing aerial view. It allows you to take a picture of the camera with the victory gesture and take video by posing an open palm or square gesture. In at second place the drone is fema S3 GPS drone. fema S3 is one of the most affordable drones for traveling purposes. It is the newest edition award-winning drone. Specifications: this drone, about 4.5 hours charging time, about 25 minutes flight time, 7.4 volt, 2200 mAh powerful battery, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi frequency, and more. Already this drone price is $87.47. fema S3 has headless mode and can do push-button flips. You can even do takeoffs and landings with the push of a button. It can be controlled either using the included controller or by your smartphone via Wi-Fi. You will also get a live video feed from the onboard camera on your phone. You can either fly the first-person view or just use the video feed to see what pictures and videos you are recording. The camera has a 4K HD camera that is capable of taking 1080 pixel video with HD quality. The pictures are good, particularly outdoors and in a good light. You can tilt the camera upward and downward. Operate your drone through an app iOS or Android, offering you real-time image transmission. Easy to shoot and read, fun to share. You can expect to get about 25 to 30 minutes of flight time. It has a typical range of 60 meters or so. Keep in mind that the Wi-Fi first-person view feed probably will be 50 meters or less even though the range of the remote. The GPS system, long range, and gimbal-stabilized 4K camera make it the must-have drone of 2020. It is a Spark clone that is similar in price and features. Overall, it too is a solid beginner option. In at number 1, the drone is Pousic T25 GPS drone. Pousic T25 is one of the best drones for beginners that I have reviewed. It is easy to fly, comes with many advanced features, and has a superb HD camera. There are 2 intelligent flight modes that will make it easier for people to fly this drone and take videos. With its FPV feature, you can live stream straight to your smartphone and share your images and video on social media. Already this drone price is $98.56. Pousic T25 GPS drone adopts advanced 9-axis gyro, which is more wind-resistant and steady during flight, making the pictures and videos you recorded clear and fluent. The wide-angle camera catches 1080 pixel HD photos and live videos from your flight. Just post and share them with your friends and family. Detachable camera mount holds your own sports action camera. Enjoy a first-person view experience and real-time transmission. Feels like you are just flying in the sky and watching the beautiful scenery below. Under the GPS mode, the drone will automatically follow the app signal of your mobile phone. It captures the images that inspiring you no matter where you go. One key click to share your wonderful moments on social media from the app right after recording it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.